Nono Hubbies, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nono Hubby. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe down below. Yes, my name used to be Nono Hubby, but now it's Uncut with Nono Hubby, but it's still the same thing. Guys, in this video I'm not going to go straight to the point, straight to the point, just like a little bit of story how YouTube demonetized my account. Just listen to this video and make sure you don't fall a victim, right? So my account was monetized in I started my YouTube channel in 2020, and in less than 7 months my account gracefully was monetized. So yes, I've earned few months from YouTube channel before I got demonetized, right? So but the reason why I got demonetized is the reason I'm sharing this video, so one or two persons can learn. So let me tell you guys, I just woke up one morning and I got a mail that my account has been demonetized. I was thinking it was a joke, man. Guys, it was reality. It was so sad. I felt so sad. I was so angry because I know how far and how much I've tried to get my channel monetized. I know the process. I know what people are going through to get their channel monetized. Especially when you're on this platform, you don't have godfather or godmother that will help you, that will post your videos on their community, that will tell people to subscribe to your channel, or maybe you're a celebrity already, you have an influence with people, you know, that kind of thing. So I know how much how I struggled and how I was persistent and very hardworking to get my channel monetized. So you can imagine how I felt when my channel was demonetized. It was very demoralizing for me. But what, after about 30 days, after like 30 days I was angry, seriously. I didn't want to come back on this platform again. But after then, like 30 days, the anger subsided and I spoke to myself, and here I am back again trying to share to you guys the reason I was demonetized on my channel. You know, something in this YouTube channel, you see a lot of videos telling you, do this one, do this short, do this kind of short, it will help you go viral, this kind of short, it will help you to locate to your channel. And you see so many people doing other things. Guys, don't do things because people are doing. That's what women do trouble. Don't do things because people are doing. Because basically, let me go straight to the point. The reason why YouTube demonetized my account, let me read it out for you guys, because it's still on my phone. The reason why they demonetized my account. So let me not say it. Let me just read it directly so you guys will understand what I'm talking about. Let me read it directly. So they said here that they told me here, they said suspended features, of course, that I reused somebody's content. I reused somebody's content. Remember when I started to try to use people's content on shorts, I also watched other YouTubers who are big on this platform that said that you can use somebody's content, but you have to use the green screen effect on the YouTube. You know, when you go to your YouTube channel, you want to post a video. When you go to your YouTube channel, I'll show you guys on the screen. When you go to your YouTube channel and want to post a video, there is this place that says green screen effect, where you have to react to the video you want to post. That was exactly what I did, though. I know I went to I've been doing those videos and reacting to them, and I've actually been getting a wider range of people liking what I'm doing and subscribing to my channel as well. So I felt this is working actually. So next thing, boom, I got an email that my account has been demonetized, all features gone, because I reused somebody's content. I was confused. I was like, waiting. I went to YouTube page where you can chat with them directly. I told them, what is happening? You guys deactivated my account. Sorry, demonetized me because of so and so reason. But you created green screen effect because you want people to react on this YouTube platform. And these are other things that has been, people have been saying about it before I hopped on it. They said I should not read the rules again. So before then, they sent to me, if you think that we made a mistake, send an appeal telling us why. We will review your appeal and get back to you with a decision within 14 days. Only choose the option blah 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 blah. Review your fee blah 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 blah. So the reason why they demonetized my account was because they said I reused somebody's content. I reused somebody's content that I reacted on it. I didn't just use person's content. I reacted on it with green screen effect. So what am I saying? What I'm saying in this essence is that all this that used to bring out open YouTube channel, be giving us advices, be giving us advice on how to use short. Go to YouTube section and learn on your own. And learn on your own the things you're supposed to be doing. I'm going to do a comprehensive I'm going to do a video on this channel, I'm going to go basically on the YouTube platform where they gave the rules of the things you shouldn't do that is going to bring about your channel being demonetized. I'm going to do a video about it apparently, and I'm going to come here and I'm going to state it you know, I'm going to read this for what it was, come here and state it. Do you understand? I don't want these backyard things again. And my advice for you guys who are doing shorts, because apparently they said now that shorts is what YouTube is focusing on, and that shorts is going to help you to get to your 1,000 subscribers. Remember, before you're monetized on the YouTube channel, you must reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. It's not a beans. Seriously, it may sound 4,000 in your ear, but to get that 4,000 is very, very difficult. But to get the subscribers, which is 1,000 subscribers, mind you, that 1,000 subscribers can last as long as, but the 4,000 watch hours after 12 months or something will wipe off. Do you understand what I'm saying? You have to start afresh again. So it's really very taxing. So many people are jumping on short to get to their 1,000 subscribers, which is okay. But my advice generally is that if you're jumping on short to get to your subscribers, it's good and fine. But please do not reuse people's content. Just post any video that you have. Even if you're going out for the day, you just carry your phone, get few clips of when you were stepping out, few clips of the shop that you went into to go and buy grocery, or to go and get into 1 or 2 shops you went to go and buy grocery or get anything. Just try it there. Just try in those shops to get, you know, videos that you're going to post. Do you understand? But reusing people's content and using the feature that the YouTube put on the same platform that we can use. You now use it to God. Just run away from green screen. You know that green screen that you can use and react to people's video? Don't use it on YouTube platform. Seriously, that was the reason why I was demonetized. And if you go to my channel right now, my short area, I have removed every video that I reacted to, leaving only my video. No matter how that video is, I just left it there. But all the videos that I reacted to, I have taken every of them off. So the green screen there, apparently, I don't know what the green screen there apparently is for, if we can't use it to react. Because it's supposed to be you, like they carve out your face, remove the background of your face, then you can talk on the image of what you're reacting to. But if they demonetized me because I reused somebody's content with a green screen feature effect which is on the platform, then I don't know what I should do again. So guys, this is why I decided to come and share it on this channel. Basically, my advice is that do not react to any video. Do not use green screen effects that the YouTube put on this place to react to any video, because that is the reason why I was demonetized. I hope this video gets to somebody. I wanted to do this video a long time ago, but the period I was angry, I wasn't ready to do that because maybe I was going to say a lot that would have jeopardized me. Do you understand? So I needed to calm down, and I wanted to do it after then, but I was pretty busy with the child, with my baby, and I just felt this is the right time to do it, even though my baby is here making noise. But if I keep prolonging and leaving it when I'm going to have time, then apparently I'm not going to do this video. So that is it, just that. So that is it, guys. I hope this video gets to 1 or 2 persons, and I hope you learn from what I said. Make sure you go to YouTube page and read their guidelines to as not be demonetized like me, because I was demonetized and my whole watch hour was taken off. The whole watch hour was taken off. So it's like I'm starting afresh. But I said I'm not giving up. You see this YouTube platform? We're going to remain here and we're going to continue to eat this money. They will get us monetized again. And we'll continue to eat this money where we stopped from, because people are eating this money and actually resigning from their work and facing YouTube work and eating the money. So now me, I want to eat the oil money. So they call it oil money. I want to eat the oil money. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye. Mama, say bye-bye. Let me bring her close so you see her. See her. I took her away. I took her far. Because I left her and she was eating all these things. So I took her far. Bye.